building a Barbie camper. Yay! This is what I'm gonna open up today. So this is a cool Barbie truck. So it's everything. And this is a new one. Look, it has like blankets, plates, and a fishing rod, and toothbrushes, and water bottle, and ketchup, and this blanket, these cups.
That looks super cool. Are you excited?
Yeah! Yeah, milk.
The milk?
Yeah.
All right, let's open it. Whoa, look at that pool.
Whoa, a shower.
Oh my gosh, there's so much cool stuff. All right, let's work on this box. Pull it out.
Wow, so cool. It even comes with stickers.
Whoa, all right, let's get all those stickers on there. You need help?
Yes. It's like, there we go.
What does it have?
It has like this that you could unlock it.
Oh yeah, the tape to keep it all closed.
No,
And
like this.
Oh my gosh, look at that. It's like a lock for the door.
Yeah.
All right, so we have the instructions and Mommy has a lot of stickers to put on. So I'm gonna go do that now.
Yeah. I like this. I like that.
Stuff inside too.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's a picnic table.
Wow. When they go picnic, okay,
That's so cool.
you need your scissors to cut the rubber
Alright.
screen.
All right.
This is like so cool. This is like a picnic.
I know, that's really awesome.
I know how to work it.
Look at that. That's so cool. What else is in there?
A balloon.
And some other stuff. All right.
Oh, look, seats. Oh my god, little grill. Wait, seats are here.
All right, let's work on it. Are you opening stuff back there?
Yeah.
What is it?
The door says open with the lock. And there was tape on it, so I untaped it.
CJ, what are you doing? All right, so we got all the stickers on this baby, and we're gonna open her up.
See what she looks like.
Here we go. There's somehow that this becomes a car too, like a true camper. So we're gonna figure that out, and then we're gonna play a little.
Yeah. But that's okay.
What are you setting up over here?
Setting up the dishes.
Oh, nice. All right, here she is in all her glory, and we even got a boat for fishing.
This speedy boat.
And that opens. It's a pool.
And it turns into a car too.
It turns into a car too. So let's see. Just gonna open up these things here and look. Pulls out and you got a car. It's like a real true trailer. And you can lock her back on. All right, Sophia, what do you say? Should we play now?
Let's play.
Okay. I'm making some eggs for breakfast. Do you want any?
No, I have to make my bed.
Oh, did you sleep good last night?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It
I
was a
slept
mine.
exceptionally
Can
well in my new camper.
Can it be a dog?
You're gonna go get some fish for dinner?
Yeah.
Barbie, are you gonna clean up all these dishes over here?
I'm just going to relax.
You're just gonna relax?
Yeah.
Typical.
Now where's the
You know what
fish?
we should do?
What?
We should have our neighbors over for dinner tonight. So good.
Here.
We could make like fried fish or something.
Yeah, I have fish.
You got fish?
Yeah, all by myself.
What? You went fishing today all by yourself?
Yeah.
That's so awesome.
And Daddy had to wash all the dishes.
Oh, it still looks like there's a lot of dishes in there. Who should we have over? Oh, hey, it's Elsa.
Elsa, a queen frozen.
Wow. Would you like to come over for fish today?
Yeah. First, I have to pack all my ice stuff. Oh, Olaf is right up in my castle, but he is practicing his melting.
Look, here. We're going to put the fish on the fire right now, Elsa. Look. Where's the fish? Can I have the fish?
They're going to eat it.
All right. Here.
Well, I like frozen fish, so I'm going to freeze mine.
You like frozen fish?
Yeah.
Oh.
I
do not like frozen fish. I like mine fresh. I don't have any frozen fish though, Elsa.
I can make it because I have magical powers. And look, I can freeze the ground.
Whoa.
See?
Yeah, that's crazy. Oh no! You froze my daughter. Is she okay? Are you okay? Hey, are you okay?
I can't say.
Can you unfreeze her?
Yes, but the only thing will make her unfreeze is hot food.
Oh, okay. I have that. This fish is ready.
Okay.
Oh.
I can bounce really high.
I'm so glad. Oh, whoa. I'm so glad that you're unfrozen.
And do you want me to make an ice skate rink?
An ice skating rink?
Yeah.
Sure.
And then first open your house. First you have to close your eyes.
You know what, though? I'm getting a little tired. I think I'm going to curl up and take a nap.
But we're going to have a dinner.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Well, I'm going to take a quick nap, and Ken's going to cook, right?
Yeah. And
Sure. I'm just trying to relax like you were earlier, but that's okay.
yeah, and close your eyes and I'm going to make an ice rink. Close.
All right, I'll be back. Well, I guess I better get ready for dinner. Oh my goodness, Ken!
I can make ice
Dinner looks delicious! Look, Elsa! Do you love this dinner? Oh my goodness, hot dogs and fish!
Help me.
Everyone,
Right
bon appetit! Oh, you guys were so hungry.
I was eating off all by myself. But I do. On. Elsa, make a deal. Okay. And frozen. Okay.
You're frozen?
No, I'm not frozen. Here, guys, let me make an ice rink for you guys.
Thanks.
Thanks, man.
Whoa! Ah! I just fell. It's too slippery. Oh, thank you. Oh no! Ah! Oh boy.
It's okay. I can fix the table.
I think it's time for bed.
I can make this amazing video on Thailand. This is almost the dinosaur video, but when you want to see more of the videos, click and subscribe and sure to get the notification bell. And keep watching for all of our, Barbie videos.